I told you there is a simple way to earn 1 lakh rupees every month without the degree, without investment, and without any special skills. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The crazy part is you see people doing this every day, but you never realize how much money they are making. Stay with me till the end because I will reveal exactly how you can start and make your first 1 lakh rupees in the next 30 days. Uh, Now, getting to the next step, we all see fancy apartments, luxury houses, and massive commercial buildings. But have you ever wondered who actually makes the money behind this deals? Most people think that only builders, investors make money in the real estate, but that's wrong. There is a secret player in the game who takes zero risks, invests zero money, and but earns lakhs every month. And the best part is almost no one really talking about it. So let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a for sale or to let board outside a property? Do you know who puts them there? It's not the owner, it's the builder. It's someone else who is quietly making serious money. And here is a mind blowing part. Even if they help sell just one property worth rupees 1 crore, they can make rupees 1 lakh or more in commission just with one deal. Now, here is where things get really interesting. You don't need to own a property to make money from it. You just need to know the right process, and in the next few minutes I'm going to break it down for you. Yes, I'm talking about real estate broking, brokering. I'm sorry. But wait, before you think this is some typical sales job, hear me out. This is not going door to door or chasing clients. Today, brokers use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram to close deals sitting at home. And the best part is, you don't need a license, you don't need an office, and you don't even need prior experience. All you need is a phone and an internet connection. That's it. So, how do you start? You need to follow some steps which I'm gonna take you through. First, find properties that owners and builders are selling. Uh, if you want to earn 1 lakh rupees per month, that means at least 1% commission out of let's say 1 crore or 2 crore. Then you need to look at uh, luxury real estate or actually even the properties for ordinary people are uh, are also getting expensive, are also getting more than 1 crore easily. Like 3 BHK flats and 2 BHK flats are also getting more than one or one more than 1.5 crore easily, especially in the city like Bombay or Delhi, in the metro cities. So how do you start? You need to find properties that owners and builders are selling, like on Magic Breaks, 99acres.com or housing.com. Then you need to call property owners. You can also do a Google search and find the builder's contact from there, and then you need to call them, and also you can join their WhatsApp and Facebook groups after getting on board with them. Now, now after they enroll you in this process, after you become a broker, then how you can easily get leads uh, of the properties is via listing it on 99 acres, Magic Bricks, and housing.com, and many other online platforms. So even through Facebook also you can do that. There are a lot of Facebook groups where you can post about properties, and you will get really good quality leads. And for free, you are getting good quality. You will easily get good quality leads from 99 acres, Magic Bricks, housing, because people are already there looking for the properties, looking to buy properties or rent properties, or or anything else. But yeah, for the relevant things. So you don't need to invest on doing advertising. You will get leads directly from these websites as well as from Facebook groups. Now talk to buyers and close the deal. You will also get guidance from from the builders itself. From there is a sales team in the builder who will guide you about how to do prospecting, what should be the pitch and everything. They will guide you regarding the sale. So you don't need to really worry about. You just need to get the right leads. That's it. And then boom, that's it. Uh, if you get even one sale if you get in a month, that is that is worth 1 crore rupees, which is easy because even in tier 2 cities like Lucknow or Nagpur, flats are getting above 1 crore. The prices of flats are increasing above 1 crore because For residential flats, families generally prefer 2 BHK or 3 BHK. Now, for 2 BHK or 3 BHK, flat prices are getting above 1 CR. Now, let's say taking the take this is for for this case. For this case, let's say if you sell a 1 crore property of 1 crore rupees, one property only sell you from through you only one property gets sold, then you get 1 lakh rupees commission. Then you get 1 lakh rupees commission, 1% commission, 1 lakh rupees. Now, with the experience, if you close 2 deals or 3 deals, then you can easily make 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month, and much more. When getting 5 lakh rupees is not a big deal for brokers. I'm saying seriously, there is serious money out there. And I also want to share some really bonus content out here. Without selling, also there is a way you can make a lot of money. You can make at least 1.5 lakh or more than 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh, which is by which is through rental properties. If you find 5 rental properties with that cost 30,000 per month, 5 rental properties that cost 30,000 per month, and you charge 1 month rent as commission from each rental properties, you charge 1 month rent as commission. That 5 rentals equal to 1.5 lakh. 30 into 5, 1.5 lakh. Correct. So that's a really cool way if you want to initially start. So you can start by renting rental properties, then you can move ahead on to selling luxury properties. However, you can also start by directly selling luxury properties because you will get proper guidance from their sales team, from the builder sales team. You will get proper guidance from the builder sales team on how to do prospecting. Because I already told you, getting leads is easy nowadays through 99 acres to housing and through many other websites. So you will get leads easily because people are looking to buy flats, and I mean you can also help them with the loan process and everything. But yeah, that's the secondary thing about the loan process. But getting the leads is a without any investment is really easy. Now, so now that you know the secrets, what's stepping you? Comment below the type of real estate you want to focus on: luxury homes, commercial spaces, or rentals. Uh, I would say go with the luxury homes if you want to earn multiple lakhs of couple of lakhs every month, because luxury homes, as an a 10 lakh rupees home can get you 10 crore, sorry, a 10 cr rupees one home can get you 10 lakh rupees. If you calculate via 1% commission. So yeah, that's great. All right. Thank you.